This video will introduce the new heal pipe command in Revit. The icon is available under the vDesign tab. It is the broken pipe with a band-aid on it, and when you open it up, you'll see a window like the following. The point of this command is to easily rejoin pipes that have been broken with a little gap between them. At the top of the command, you can choose the maximum distance away the pipes are from each other that it will look to heal them. And then there's a couple different modes here. You can heal all pipes, which will try to heal every pipe in the project. There's a select multiple pipes mode where you can drag a window to select the pipes, and then there's a heal two specific pipes mode. If I go into the heal two pipes mode, it just puts me in a mode to grab a pipe and another pipe, and it will join them together and tell you that it successfully joined two pipes. If I use the select multiple mode, I can then go drag a window to grab the valid pipes that are disconnected, and you can see it joined both of those pairs of pipes. And then lastly, you can use the heal all pipes version, and then that will just go try to find every disconnected pair in the model and then join them together. You can couple this with the maximum distance between open ends to kind of dial in exactly what you want to join together. 4 inches is probably pretty reasonable, but you can increase or decrease that. So if I split these pipes again and then make them a little bit farther apart, if I were to go back into vDesign, run the heal pipe command, heal two pipes, grab both of those, it'll say no pipes were joined. If I were to increase that maximum distance up to something like 35 inches, heal two pipes, pipe 1, pipe 2, and then it will join them because it's within that distance. And that introduces the new heal/reconnect pipe command available in vDesign.